Hi everyone! Last interviews of the days and last interviews of Super Week. We are almost at the end of the day, but still a few gold nuggets waiting for us. I'm here with Artem, a really nice friend. Can I call you a friend?
Of course, yeah.
I think we met here at Super Week 3 years ago, kind of. Maybe?
I think last year, actually.
Also, just last year?
Yeah, I think last year.
Wow, it seems so long.
Yeah.
He really helps me a lot in different things, measure comps, and he came also when I was working in a previous business to give some workshops, so I'm really thankful to him. And today we are not really speaking about practical things, more about philosophical. But first of all, I really want him to introduce himself, so can you tell me who you are?
Thank you again for inviting me. And I treat myself like a full-stack tracking engineer. So it's like really technical. It's about tracking, about data engineering, about everything. So I like tech guy. Also, I try to contribute to community, to build some tools, open source projects. It's really good to be feel like
we had
part of
Christian
community.
Yesterday as well.
Yeah. So it's really cool. Yeah, that's my.
Okay.
It's about me, like technical stuff and like this related to tracking.
I really love to have you here with us because I really feel that you're a direct person and you really speak your minds without telling or using a lot of words, and I really like it. And we're with AI. That is the word that is really coming a lot these days, and there are a lot of discussion about there will be work, there will be possibilities for us in the future, or AI will take over what we are doing and we will not be able to do what we are doing anymore, and so on. So I wanted to understand also your point of view. You are also using a lot of tools to like automate.
Yeah.
So it will be nice also to discuss that. And
so I have my personal opinion, and it's really about me and about my life and how it's changed. So I think it started like 6 or 7 years ago. I was on the conference, on Google conference, and they show it was like really new, like deep learning things, and it was like really small clip, you know, this small game like Arkanoid or something. You control the platform and ball. And it should break the wall, something like this.
I remember.
I was a little kid and I played this game. I said, oh, cool. And they said the algorithm, nothing. It could just move left and right and just optimize the scoring. Oh, good. And they show it's like move it randomly, so absolutely nothing. In 10 seconds, it starts more like logically. And then, like in 5 minutes, it understands it should like make a small like road and put the ball on top, and think it's done. So, and I understand for myself, I never can do this way. So I never can compete with this tool because it's so fast learning, it's understood. And even if I can understand this path, I can't do this.
It's a bit scary, no?
Yes, and it was absolutely scary. And at that point, I started thinking, okay, everything will change really soon. I have maybe 5 years, maybe 7, I don't know. And my first idea was, okay, it will be about math. So I should learn math a lot. I should stop doing everything. It's about math. Okay. And then, because I really was scared, for me, it was a really scary moment. I understand.
Change.
Everything is changing. And there is no options. The only one idea I saw, it's like this. And you know, it's the same like play with chess with computer. No any chance. It's not interesting at all because they still know all your moves like in 5, 10. So you have no options. When you start to play, you already lose. So no options at all. That's why it's not interesting to play the computer. And so I'm thinking, okay, I have 5 years, I can learn math. But then I just stopped myself, and I already have I'm mathematician education, something like this. And I remember this, I know what is it about, and how is it like, do I like this? Is it like really what I want to do? And then I understand, no, I don't want to spend 5 lives because of fear. So it's stupid. I like to do another stuff. It's not my way. Of course, it was really stressful, but I somehow used to this, and you know, and now I think about the so like I don't stressful so much now because you know, for me it's more about then I interact with AI, with all these assistants. So I do my code together with assistant, and I see this assistant already understand like my 3-5 next steps. So I do a lot of advanced things, but still it's really clear for assistant what I'm going to do, and then this assistant like help me to do this. So I really predictable, I really simple for the assistant. So assistant much smarter than me. Of course, it's like really like broad. It's not like easy like this, but still, it's more like about chess game. So yeah, I understand my next move. So okay. That's really cool. But now it's not scary anymore like this. Because,
yeah, I wanted to ask what changed from the first.
And the first thing I understand, there is no future anymore. There is no future. It means no predictable future.
Okay.
Nobody knows. So before that, maybe previous generation, they can have like 5 years plan. No future. So the only way you can do what you like, really.
That's nice. It's kind of scary, but at the same time, it's
really good because now you can't like, I wait like a couple of years and after that I've got maybe another job or do something else. So if you have any opportunity to do what you really want, try to do this. I don't think like don't pay your bills and go out of job. So no, but just try to if you have any chance to do what you really want, like human being. Mm-hmm. So I feel I really want to build some product, open source solution to other guys, work with a cool team, cool engineers together. So I have my full-time job and I try to find some time, evening or weekends or vacation, to do something together with other guys just because I love this. I don't have chance to do it like my whole day, but that's not problem. I just try to do my best to do what I like personally think. If you like dancing, if you like writing poetry, anything, do this. There is no future. And now it's like the best way, especially if you do like technical stuff. Now you have a system that can help you and you can do it faster. A lot of boring things like A/B testing, or I don't know, unit testing. Now you can do together with assistant and it's much faster. So you have some time, I don't know, like 3 months, 5 years, nobody knows. But again, for me, it's like everything is done. Now it's only a chance to do what you really want.
But at the same time, what I feel, if you say no future, I kind of put myself in the shoes of someone that is just starting their work career, because you already have your work career, so they have money to pay bills and so on. Maybe someone that is just get out of the university or get fired and see someone that told them like there is no future, of course it gets scared. But
I know.
Do you think there is something, or I don't know, other things that can help us going through this?
Just try to stay humans, you know, really, because this is important things you just told. You know, we know each other like a couple of years already. Yeah. We just met maybe 3 or 4 times, but it's really this, you know, this is like human feelings between friends, between others. It's really important. So if you just, I don't know. So I don't have answers. Again, this is not like, I can't recommend others. I don't know about technology, so I know only my technical stuff. And the most important thing is it's about myself. So I just looking at myself, what I really want, and trying to understand and try to follow this. And if you're like in this bad situation, then you don't have job or you're just starting, it's really, I don't know, it's really, nobody knows. So, but the only advice, don't try to be like super efficient, like computer or something. Stay human beings, be connected to others, be inside the community. It wouldn't it wouldn't pay your bills, you have to do something, but still, it's really helpful to be part of the team, part of the group, do something together you like, and understand what you really like. Don't do math because you have to, so that's crazy. That's my advice. But
it's terrifying, but at the same time, it's kind of relieving. You really need you can focus on the things you like and maybe help AI or use AI for selfishness, kind of, no?
Oh, yeah.
Just to get a job and use this new tool to help you out with things.
Yeah.
So do not matter what job it is, just to pay your bills, but focus your attention maybe on something else and use your head as a computer is not able to do, no? Kind of, maybe.
Yes, but again, my opinion, no future, no options, you don't know. Nobody knows.
Yes,
so
don't
concentrate too much on the future. Concentrate about what you can do now, what you love now, about yourself, about your family, about your friends.
Yeah, maybe just get stressed if you just think about, okay, I don't know what will happen tomorrow. Yes, but it's now. Concentrate, stay on the moment, try to solve problems that are in this moment.
I think before that, for previous generation, it was like philosophical thing, but for now, it's really true. It's unpredictable, absolutely unpredictable. It's too fast. And if you start thinking about it or planning based on future, that's definitely wrong path. So
definitely, there will be always work like a carpentry or
I don't know,
material work, maybe. No,
Of course, no. Of course,
neither agriculture.
Yeah, of course. Why? Why? Because these robots and all this stuff. Why you should no? But again, this is you should again. My point of view. Look at yourself, not outside, but look at yourself and try to find something inside. Nobody knows. We are going to die anyway. So but let's have fun before. So this is the only option. So it's not optimistic. But again, on the other hand, it's really optimistic because it's really great time. A lot of opportunities. Now, with AI, if you're a developer, you can do you can do faster, you can do better product. It's really amazing. More options. You don't. So before that, you need like really team of like 10 people to do this, and now with AI system, you can do it really faster. But again, I don't know how long it will be. So now we have co-pilots, and maybe it soon become pilots, and pilots don't need co-pilots. So it's really. But again, don't concentrate on this. Concentrate on yourself. This is the only like option how to stay like. Do something and continue.
Yeah, and connect maybe with people, as you said.
Absolutely.
So go to conferences, meet up with people, add him on LinkedIn. No, but it's really nice that there are people around that really try to help you. Yeah. And if you don't know what to do now, try to ask and figure it out something that can help you doing what you like.
Yeah. And find what you like, actually.
And find what you like.
Yeah.
Okay, like is kind of terrifying, but at the same time maybe it's also empowering.
Yeah.
Kind of.
Yeah.
No?
Yeah.
Okay, I think I don't really other questions, and it was really nice. I think that is our point of view. It will also be nice if you see that interview to know what you think, and we will see afterwards. And I think I will leave the stage to the live.
Bye-bye.